Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Solution. Today I am explaining most important topic, that is finding a square root, part number 2. In the first part we have defined and explained how can we find a square root of any given number by all the three methods, that is factor method, division method and guess method. Today I am explaining type number 2 type question, where question is what is smallest number we should multiply the following number so that it become perfect square. So here three question 900, second question 1250 and third question 432. So we will solve this all three question one by one. So my question is what is smallest number we multiply this number so that it become perfect square. So we will check this is perfect square or not. If it is perfect square, then we need only multiply by 1. And if not perfect square, then we will check which number we multiply so that it become perfect square. So there is a simple method is just to make the factor of the given number and make pair of it. The number which have no pair is our answer. So just you see, we are solving first question 900. If we make factor of this number, so this is 450 and this is 2 2 are 4, this is 2 2 5 and we know this is 5 4 are 20, 5 5 are 5 9 are and 3 3 are. So here this is pair, this is pair, this is pair. So 900 is already perfect square number. So no need to multiply any number. So our correct answer is 1. If we multiply this number by 1, we will get 900. And 900 is This is the perfect square. So here our correct answer is Simply 1. Now see the second question. Second question is 1250, that is 1250. Now my question is what is smallest number we multiply this number so that it become perfect square. So first to make factor and check how many numbers have pair, which number have no pair is our answer. So we are making factor. So first divide by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again this is 5 5s are 25. Again this is 5. Again this is 2. So now you see here this 5 have a pair and this 5 have a pair. These 2 have no pair. So if we multiply by 2, it become also pair and it become perfect square. So here our answer is 2. So our correct answer is 2. This is the question number 2. Now we are solving question number 3. So question 3 is again 432. And my question is what is smallest number we multiply this given number so that it become perfect square. So technique is make factor. So we are making factor. So this is 2, so it is divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 2. Again this is 2 1s are 2, here 1, so put here 0, now 16, 2 8s are 16. Again this is 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are. This is 27. This is 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. This is the factor. Now check pair. This is the one pair, second pair, third pair. Again these 3 have no pair. So the number which have no pair is our correct answer. So here our answer is 3. 3 is our correct answer. Now see type number 3 question. Type 3 question is what is smallest number we should divide the given number so that it become perfect square. So for this type of question, what is the technique? Again same technique. So make factor of this number and check which number have no pair. This is our answer. So see first question. This is 720, make factor of this. So this is 5 1 ja 5, 2 remainder 22. 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20. Now this is what? So this is 2 7 ja 14, 2, and this is what? 36. You can apply 6 6 are 36. So this is a pair and this is a pair. This number have no pair. So if we divide 720 by 5, this 5 will be cancelled out and we will get what? 2 2 times and 6 2 times. You can check also. Suppose this is 720 and we are dividing by 5. So this is 5 1 ja 5, 2 22. So this is what? 144. And 144 is what? Perfect square. So here technique, make factor, and after that make pair. The number which have no pair is our answer. So here answer is what? That is 5. So answer, correct answer is 5. Now we will deal second question. So now question number 2. The question number 2 is what? 1575. So again see, this is 1575. And our question is what? What smallest number we divided so that it become perfect square. So first you make factor of this number. So we are making factor. 5 3 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5 to this. Again 5 6 ja 30, 5 3 ja 15. Again 7 9 ja 63, 3 3 ja 3. So here 5 2 times, 3 2 times, and 7 only 1 time. If we will divide this number by 7, this 7 will be cancel out and we will get 5 5 3 3. That means perfect square. So here our correct answer is what? 7 is our right answer. Now explaining the third question. This is the last question, third. See, this is the 500. Our question is what? What smallest number we divide so that it become perfect square. So when we divide this, make factor first. So this is 5 1 ja 500, and you know 10 into 10 is what? 100. So this is already pair and this 5 have no pair. So if we divide this 500 by 5, we will get what? 100, which is perfect square. So our correct answer is what? 5 is our right